Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Total Age, a guide to learner. Here this is Riporna. I hope all of you are doing good. Today we are going to discuss one of the most interesting topic from paper 1, that is pollution, pollutants and their impacts on human life. And pupil development and environment is one of the most important chapter according to the UGC NET syllabus, because each and every year some questions come from this unit, so obviously it is a very important chapter. So I hope that session would be a very important and beneficial to everyone. And if you have missed my last session on education, so please go and check my first comment and my description box, where my last session link is already provided. And if you like my video, so please do one like, share and comment, and please do some support and subscribe my channel for getting more useful session. Okay, so let's start the session. So learner, today's topic is pollution, pollutants and their impact on human life. So there are a lot of pollution in our society, like air pollution, noise pollution, soil pollution and most importantly water pollution. So today we are going to discuss two most important pollution and their prevention, that is air pollution and the water pollution. Okay, but before going to the different types of pollution, at first we have to discuss what do you mean by pollution and pollutants. Okay, so now going to the definition. So learner, do you have any idea what do you mean by a pollution?
So, pollution can be defined as addition of undesirable material into the environment as a result of human activity. So, that means pollution implies addition of the undesirable materials or substances into the environment, okay, and which has bad impacts, which has poisonous impact or effects on the human being, on the living things. Okay, so I think the definition of pollution is clear. Now going to the next thing, that is the pollutants. So we have already told the addition of undesirable materials or substances into the environment, then we called the pollution. The environment is polluted. Okay, so that undesirable materials which cause pollution are known as pollutants. I think the definition of pollution and pollutants is clear to everyone.
So learner, now going to the main thing, that is different types of pollution. And today we will discuss only first two, that is air pollution and the water pollution. So at first we have to discuss what is the definition of the air pollution and the water pollution. So what do you mean by a air pollution? So basically air pollution is the presence of any kind of like solid, gaseous or liquid of undesirable substances into the atmosphere, and which is harmful for living thing. Okay, on the other hand, water pollution is the presence of any kind of undesirable materials in water which has harmful impacts for the living thing. So I think the definition of the air pollution and the water pollution is clear to everyone. And now going to the next thing.
So, air pollution can be caused by the presence of particles, matter, or gases. Air quality index deteriorates with the presence of such pollutants. So, what do you mean by a air quality index? So, basically, air quality index is used to evaluate the quality of air by the presence of particles, by the presence of undesirable materials or substances in the environment, in the atmosphere. So it can lead to some problems, especially of the eyes, skin and the respiratory system. Now going to the next thing, that is how to prevent air pollution. So the first point is using biogas, LPG, CNG or electric stove instead of cooking food on wood and cow dung cakes. Now going to the next point, that is constructing well ventilated buildings. Number 3, use of dustbins with lid. Number 4, use of eco-friendly technology in industries. Number 5, taking strict action on industries which don't adopt eco-friendly technology and are deteriorating the environment. Now going to the last point, that is promoting use of clean fuel in vehicles also. Here we are attaching some pollutants with their respective diseases. So now going to the next type of pollution, that is water pollution. But we have already told the definition of water pollution. So what do you mean by a water pollution? So water pollution is caused by the presence of undesirable elements in water which can have harmful consequences on the health of living organism. Okay, so one of the major water pollutants is the industrial waste released into the water. The waste expelled from industries is laden with chemicals. Most industries release it into the nearby water bodies without filtering it. The chemicals contaminate fresh water and cause many types of diseases. Some other pollutants of the water pollution are given below. So now going to the last part for today's session, that is how to control water pollution. Sewage water should be properly treated and this is one of the most important point. Okay, now going to the second point, that is the industrial waste should be filtered for removal of harmful chemicals. Number 3, water should be recycled. Number 4, rainwater should be harvested. Number 5 and the last one, that is oil spills should be controlled by developing new technology. So learner, if we follow these prevention tips for water pollution and the air pollution, so that would be helpful for our environment.
So learner, I think this is clear. Okay, so we are done for the today's session. I hope that session would be a very important and beneficial session to everyone. If you like my video, so please do one like, share and comment, and please do some support and subscribe my channel for getting more useful session. I will come again with a new topic, new session. Till then, stay tuned. Happy learning. Thank you. Tata.